Welcome. So in front of me I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll do a different video of case review. So as you can see, this is some ZAGG Gear 4. Haven't ever used it, so we'll see how it fits. And I'm gonna go over a couple different things like camera clearances, buttons, and all the ports, how accessible they are, and so on. And obviously the build quality of the case itself. So anyway, let's just pop it straight open. I guess it's going to be easier from the bottom. That's nice. Now this case is made out of plastic. It might look like a silicone, but as you can see, looks like it's a little bit silicone-y around here. The bottom, as you can see, it's quite bendable, but then this starts to feel like actual plastic, and then buttons again are a little bit softer compared to everything else. And holy crap, did I just make these dents with my fingernails? Yep, I think I did. So that's no bueno to make it out of something so smooshy. I'm gonna actually check it out for a moment. Even this case doesn't really take like fingernail dents like this one did. And this garbage is the cheapest thing you can find. It costs like $2. So nice that it's plastic at the back, but not very good when it's super smooshy buttons to the point that they get damaged from just mundane things like your fingernails. And I wasn't pressing hard, just to mention that. Now, one problem that I'll mention with the cheap case that I have right here, if you tend to apply these lens protections, things like that will not cut for you. Because as you can see, you can no longer apply the case fully because the lens protection just protrudes way too much now, and this case can't go around the lenses anymore. So, a case like this will solve it. Now let's just pop it in here. And there we go. It's fully on. So obviously we have the cutout for the mute button. We have cutouts for speaker, microphone, charging port. At the back we do have the little MagSafe, I believe that's what it is. Weird design here, I just realized it. So you do have bezel around the camera, as you can see, so it protects it. Even with the camera protection lens that I have applied to the cameras itself, it still covers it, but it does this weird thing where right here you have a cutout, and I can basically lift off my camera protection. Not sure why it's like that, but okay. Guess they wanted to add some flair to it, but that probably wasn't the way to go, in my opinion. Now the buttons are relatively easy to press. You kind of hear them stick to the button because it's a little bit of a softer, like silicone, so they do, when you press them, it looks like they stick a little bit to the button when you press it, and then when you let go you can hear that kind of like silicone just lifting off of the button. Obviously I'm in a super quiet environment, so I can hear it. Normally on the street, obviously you will not hear anything. So anyway, just kind of finishing this off, the case has a decent thickness, so if you drop your phone, it will be protected without any kind of problem. The front itself has also a little bit of a bezel for the screen. Even with the screen protector, the tempered glass that I have applied, it still clears it, so obviously it's not gonna rub screen on a desk if you put it like this without any kind of problem there. And yeah, that's it. The case, actually, one thing that I'll mention, the way it's designed, it's quite nice in hand. It feels smooth and nice, so that's one thing that I have wanted to mention. It does feel a little bit different than a couple of cases that I've reviewed, even from the, I guess, more premium options. For instance, like this one. Oh, this is for the 14. I did have one. Where was it? Oh, right here. I did this one as well. And this one obviously didn't feel anywhere near as nice in hand as this. In terms of obvious design, it just looks like a clear case with a circle for MagSafe, so not much kind of design there. But anyway, this would conclude the video. It's obviously just a case, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.